Hi, starting today we will bring you quick and crisp updates in under 10 minutes. We will cover what happened in the markets today, mistakes you could have avoided and key strategies to prepare for tomorrow. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regularly timely updates. Based on the support and resistance levels derived from different time frames which we analyze daily, here are the levels for today. Let's begin with Nifty. So Nifty, the levels posted were 23,100, 23,200 and 23,300. So based on these levels which we posted on Friday, let's see how it has been reacted for today. So for 23,200 it tried to close below that, but it did not close and forming weak at the same level. So based on that we could have taken a bullish trade here. Based on our strategy, one could have got good intraday trade with decent profits. The levels for tomorrow would be 23,200, 23,300, 23,400. Okay, at these levels we have to see how the price action is behaving, and based upon that, using price action and using small stop loss, we can take an intraday trade that we will see tomorrow. Now let's move to Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty has been opened somewhere around 49,800. So this is the place where we don't take any trades because we will be waiting either for this level or this level, and at this particular levels we will see how the price is been reacting, and based on that we will be taking a trade, small intraday trade. So here you can see at 49,000 the price is trying to close above that, and it is being maintaining there. So one could have taken a trade here at this place with a small stop loss, like small flag pattern, and based upon this price action one could have got a decent profit in Bank Nifty. Levels for tomorrow would be for Bank Nifty would be 29,650, 49,300 and 49,700 approximately. At these levels we'll see how the price action is being formed, and based on that at these particular levels we will take the trade, and in between that levels there is a no trade. Coming to Sensex, you can see the price tried to close below this level 76,800, but it did not close and it has given small wick which is rejection on the downside, and the candle has been closed decisively at this level 76,800, and one could have taken a trade here with a small stop loss and got a decent intraday profit. So the levels for tomorrow would be 76,600, 77,000 and 77,300. So these levels are completely based on different time frames, support and resistance. There is nothing much rocket science in that, so one can easily find out support and resistance based on different time frames, and one can trade easily at these levels using price action. Coming to stock specification, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank is in consolidated state from many years, but today it has been gap up. There might be a chance of filling this gap up, and if you are looking for any swing trade, any retesting at this level around 1800 would be a good buy signal if this level is being maintained. Whenever the price comes here at this level, one could take a swing trade for 1800. One could take a swing trade and hold for few days. Now RBL Bank shares have been declined by 6% following 28% rise in quarterly slippages. Mainly this coming to technicals in RBL Bank. In spite of bad results, also the stock has been in bullish today. It has been in green, and that too a strong green candle, but don't know, it might also reverse from here. So it has formed some triangle shape at the lower end. So if this level of 148, if 148 is maintained in the lower level, and if any breakout here happens, we can see a good rally in RBL Bank. Now coming to Zomato, there has been a gap up around in the month of January for last year 2024. This gap has been never filled in the last year, but now it has been filled, and results wise also has been reported 57% fall in December quarterly result from 138 crores, it has fallen to 59 crores consolidated net profit. So there is a fall in this stock if this level is not maintained, and it could fall even more. Coming to next stock, UBL, United Beverages, rose more than 6% intraday after announcing immediate resumption of beer supply to Telangana Beverages Corporation. So the next stock is UBL, United Beverages, rose more than 6% intraday after announcing immediate resumption of beer supply to Telangana Beverages Corporation. This stock has been news only. Based on that, only the fall has been come. Now it has cleared its all the news, and technically also the trend line is not been broken and it is been maintaining. So one could consider taking trades at this trend line and hold for a long term. Now coming to Kalyan Jewellers, this has been in news and the fall has been very badly fallen, and today Kalyan Jewellers skyrockets 9% after Motilal AMC clarifies speculation on recent stock crash. It has been resolved today. Some news has been come stating that it has been not correct. So based on that, the stock has been holding here. If the stock holds at this level around 500, the stock might consolidate or it might reverse from here. Otherwise, if this level is not maintained, it can fall even more further. These are only for the education purpose, not for trading. If you are considering investing or trading any of these stocks, please consider your financial advisor before taking any trading decisions. The stock market presents opportunities and risk every day. Staying informed and analyzing key trends can help you make strong, smarter trading decisions. Always remember, discipline and a clear strategy are essential for success in the market. Thank you.